with a little bit of wisdom, happiness is very much attainable. If we want to have happiness, we really have to first understand what is happiness anyway. On one hand, when we think about happiness, we tend to think about things that make us feel really good. But actually tracing back to Aristotle, so there is this alternative, deeper, surprising view about happiness, which means like happiness is not just about feeling good, it's also about being a good person and living a good life. Across 7 experiments, we consistently found people think a happy life doesn't mean like it is a meaningful life. And the key difference between happiness and meaning is more self-transcendent than happiness. As long as we are not bad, as long as we don't hurt others, if we can satisfy our desires, we benefit ourselves, then we're happy. But for meaning, when people think about meaning, they really expect something more than only benefit the self. They actually emphasize a lot about whether you can benefit people and others and society beyond yourself. Life does not only offer us like a minimal sense of meaning, it also offers us pretty spectacular things. Skies like this, or cliffs like this. All experiences, flow-inducing and very zooming in kind of experiences, they both promote higher levels of wisdom. Some interpersonal wisdom, they are more likely to take other people's perspectives to solve conflicts. They are more aware of their epistemic gap in their mind, and they are more willing to improve these aspects as well. There is a seed of self-transcendence within each of us. By being more aware of the seed of self-transcendence and bring it out in our life, I believe that's how we could really realize the potential of our life.